is back again. And you're back again, I can see that. Thanks of you. Thanks for watching this last match for today, second day of the competition here in the European Cup of Paddle with the white shirt, white t-shirt, Toulouse Paddle Club. Kevin Tournemire on the court there, is the boss, the founder of the Toulouse Paddle Club, where the last French championships happened and took place about 6 weeks ago. His partner for this last match for them for this weekend is Cédric Carité. Oh, Cédric Carité is going to play on the right side with Kevin. Of course, Kevin is much more used to play on the left side. And with the service now from the Mas Perpignan, associated with the Z Violin, Loïc Tap, tennis and paddle coach. Associated with on his left side with Thierry Malacamp from Perpignan too. Nice Chiquita from Loïc. Kevin has to deal with the ball under the net, which is always difficult to do. And Thierry followed that. And the first game for Le Mas in Perpignan. Cédric Carité is going to start with the service. Cédric Carité, great player too, can play on both sides of the court. I think he prefers playing on the left side. Sorry. Cédric Carité is also the founder of the Paddle Tennis Academy, and is now works in the Cap d'Agde in the Centre International de Tennis. By the way, I wanted to say a personal hello to the Hôtel International de Tennis, where I spent a great week there. A very nice staff. Françoise and her husband are really great people, and if you're in the Cap d'Agde one day, go to their hotel. Very nice place. The first smash by 3 from Kevin. Oh, what a service from Cédric. Very long, very low, a lot of effects on it. I think he's going to serve the tee. Yes. To not open the angles, because he wasn't on his good diagonal, Thierry. So it's better to serve the tee in that case. And there he can serve the window or the tee or the player, which is also a good zone. We often forget to serve in the center of the square on the player. Oh, nice Bandera from Kevin. Bandera, which is a special shot in this sport. You don't find that shot in any other racket sports, the Bandera or the Vibora. It's kind of a smash, but you push it more than you hit it hard. Like this one. with a bit of luck from Kevin, but his return was very wise. Returning down like this. Oh, wonderful one. Congrats, Loic. What a bandera. Yes, everyone is applauding this. Perfect zone 2 and cross bandera on the fences. Hello, Paolo, Roberto. You're asking who's playing. So I'm going to tell you again those 4 French players you have on the screen now. With the service now, it's Kevin Tournemire from Toulouse. He's the founder of the Toulouse Paddle Club, which opens about 3 years ago now, maybe. His partner on his right side is Cédric Carité, a great player, great French paddle player who's playing paddle for many years now. He participated a lot of world and European championships at a time where paddle in France was not developed at all. And their opponents with the service now is Loic Tap. Loic Tap is from Perpignan. He's a paddle and tennis coach. He's also the founder of the Gestion Sport, which is an app you can have on your mobile to help the clubs to organize tournaments, for the reservations of the court, animations you want to make, complete app you can have. If you are interested with the Gestion Sport, contact Loic, he will answer you with pleasure. And his partner on his left side is Thierry Malacamp, a player from the club in Perpignan in Le Mas, playing paddle for about 2 or 3 years now. I think you know about everything about this player, Paolo. No problem, with pleasure. You can see how quickly those players want to take the net, we say, reach the net, because when you're closer at the net you have more angles to play and you take time also, which is really good. You can see that Kevin is try to stay forward. Oh, great, nice, great shot from Thierry there, uncrossed on the fence. And that's game now. And Toulouse Paddle Club, sponsored by European Institute of Chiropractic, is leading the first set by 3-2.
Supera tus límites, confía en tu instinto. Very wise from Loic there. This little volley on Kevin's feet. And no risk to do that. Being patient once more. And I'm always telling you guys, well done from Kevin there. Very clever. Good variation there. After having playing a soft smash the point before, he hit that one really hard. Great service on the tee, very long and low again. Maybe you've watched this morning Kevin playing with Loic, and it's not the same player as you have on the screen now, because Cedric is obviously much better, of course you know that, than Loic, but Kevin can now develop his game with this kind of partner on his side. Oh, very nice from Thierry, both of these volleys. Smash by 3. Straight ahead. Hard to do. Oh, this one was going out, and Loic saved it, but the point is for them. I'm going to explain you why it's a second service ball there, because as the player can go out of this court, didn't control at all this ball. So I was saying as the player can go out from the court, if your first service is let inside and then goes out, it's a second service ball. But if the player can't go out from the court, and if your first service is let inside and goes out, you play the same ball again. That's points of rules in paddle. Everyone has to know, and it's not always known. But when you don't know, just play the ball again. It's better. You can see the players there at the changing sides. Loic speaking with Thierry. Maybe doing some tactical changes. And the players are back on the court with the service with Kevin. Wow, oh, pity, this one was out, but what a defense from Loic. Oh! Kevin was on the ground, but Loic couldn't put the ball inside the court. Stayed at the net, on the net. Oh, big mistake from Loic on that one. He's really a player who doesn't make a lot of mistakes. Really smart on the court. Loic didn't play that ball because he thought his service was out, but I think indeed his service was on the line. What you must know about this match there, that Kevin, the founder of the Toulouse Paddle Club on the left side for Toulouse, and Loic Tap, who is serving right now, are really good friends. They know each other from the times they were born. That's more than 20 years now, 25 years. They know each other by heart. They are really, really good friends in life. And Loic's brother, Kevin, worked in Kevin Club. Kevin Tap worked with Kevin Tournemire in the club in Toulouse since the last 3 years, and they are one of the best friends in the world. So there's really going to be, I think, no problem at all in this match between those guys, because they really respect each other a lot. Kevin Tournemire grew up in Perpignan, played tennis for many years in Le Mas, in Perpignan, with Alain Henry and Frédéric Tapp, the father of Loïc. That's about the private stories of these guys. Oh! Sorry. He tried something there, Cédric. That's a big hand for Steros, but he wanted to do something with the ball. I think he doesn't want anymore to be patient. They already lost. They already won this game. The Toulouse Paddle Club, associated with the European Institute of Chiropractic, because they won the first 2 matches. So now they know they will finish 3rd on this European Cup of Paddle Clubs this weekend. That's their last match for the 4 guys there. Last match for the weekend. Nothing to win anymore for them except this match. And as they are great competitors, all of them, they hate losing. And of course, they are going to try to win that match, both sides. Oh, it's a bit too hard, this ball from Loïc. Kevin could defend it. It's good. This ball is good, but it was really close to be out. This one is out because the ball directly went to the window. And that's a first set for the Toulouse Paddle Club, 6-4. Perfect zone. Yeah, Cédric really now took the purpose to accelerate the ball, and as soon as he can or he wants to hit it hard. Doesn't matter where it goes, but he just want to hit the ball hard. Boom! Well done from Thierry. I think this one was out. 40-15. The players have only one ball left on the court, so they can't play anymore. Of course, they need 2 balls.
And the first game for the Mass in Perpignan, sponsored by Dead Violin. Demi volée. I think you heard him, Loic, speaking to his partner Thierry, saying they are half court, and then to the net, telling him where they are going and what they do. Like this, Thierry could choose what he can do with the ball. Boom, hein? Yes, of course. Oh, that was quite awful, that one. Big miss from Thierry there. And that's 30 all or 40-15. Croquette, yes, Mr. Tournemire. 30-40, break point. Great point, guys. I hope you're enjoying at home. It was really great from these four guys, what they've done, and that's deuce now. Oh, pity. He missed his zone from a few centimeters, but the ball came back in Kevin's racket. But for this European Cup of Paddles, we use the bull paddle balls, which are balls flying a lot in the air and sometimes hard to control when you have to block a shot coming really fast on you. But you can also put the ball out of the court quite easily, more easily than other brands.
I've been slapped in the face, I've been shoved to the floor, day after day.
Oh, well done, Kevin. He resisted to those three attacks against him. He has many great reflexes, Kevin. Oh, pity. And that's a break. Yes. And Le Mas from Perpignan, sponsorized by Z Violin, is leading this second set. 3-1. They lost the first one. Hi, Paddle Monkey. Nice. You're there again. Thanks for joining us. And thanks again to, of course, all the sponsors and partners, but also the medias. And to Paddle Magazine for the live streaming and all the work he's doing the whole year for Paddle. And Paddle World Press and CMD Sport. Paddle Wall for Portuguese media. Passy for Paddle for the Netherlands. Thanks to all of them speaking, developing the paddle, sharing the pictures and the videos. Ah, it wasn't the good side of the court. He put the ball back on his side, but that was a nice try. He was still running backwards, and I think the hitting point was not good at that one, and he couldn't stop his feet. And Loic needs to stop his feet when playing a ball. He's more a grounder, I think, Loic, than an aerial person. Yes, well done. Well said, Thierry. Very early told Loic he was going to take that ball, and that was wise from him to do that. It shows a great speed and a great zone. Oh, but after that you can't do that. Of course, that's why you have the differences between players. That's the one who can make great shots, but also continues being patient to the point after, and don't give the ball after the first or second shot. That's the differences between players today in paddle. No point of doing a great shots 1 or 2 or 3 times during a match and making 15 mistakes. And game point now for Le Mas, representing the companies of that violin. It's a pity because Cedric he doesn't really play. I don't know why he's on the court actually. It may be hard what I'm saying, but really he doesn't make a lot of efforts. And I don't really like seeing those kind of thing on the court because you should enjoy the moment. Many players would like to play those kind of matches on those conditions in the European Cup of Paddles. Kevin is doing the best he can, and he's great of that, about it. But there, Cedric doesn't really play 100% what he can do, and it's a pity, I think. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to tell you, what Loic just said. He didn't make a choice early, stay backwards or go forwards, but he has to choose it early. And he was just in the middle of both and made the mistake. Oh, boom, hein? Oh, hey, little twinner from Kevin. Great. He hid his shot till the last moment. Sorry, I'm laughing because the public said they were afraid of your smash because everyone knows that Loic doesn't hit the ball very hard. Oh, croquetas! 4-2. This one was out. Pity he was close, but he was out. $15.40, guys. 2 break points. Leah is telling me. Ooh, a smash by 3 from Loic, saved by Kevin, saved by Thierry. Drop shot, wonderful, one of the weekend points, guys. Yes, thank you for this point, guys. Great. Deuce, that was a break point, true. What a savings they've done.
Supera tus límites, confía en tu instinto. Supera tus límites, confía en tu instinto. Ooh. That was a reflex from Loic, of course. Huh? He didn't want to play that ball which was going out, but he had no time to do something else that put the racket to protect himself. Oui, c'est touché. Hein. Yeah, it touched the ball, hein, Thierry, and we saw that clearly. He touched it. And 30 all. 30 all. 2 points away to gain this second set. Le Mas. Yeah, but I think the return was out. We're not sure. Loic was making a strange face. And 5-3 now for the Mas. And Loic is
he's going to serve to win that game and win the second set. Oh! Completely missed that shot, Kevin. I can let you know, guys, that if I was at Kevin's place, I would just go out of the court and not play anymore. This is incredible. So they have only one ball left again. So Nicolas Trancard is going again to pick up the balls the players send on the other courts. And because there's no players, anyone playing there, because the match is finished already between Ghent Padel Academy and the team of Bibora Padel for the places between 5 and 6. Oh, great serve from Loic there to save this break point. And coming back to deuce on that game. Oh, he thought this ball was going to the center, so he couldn't manage to come back and take this ball forward. I think the hit point was a bit backwards. Perfect. And deuce again. Another break point saved. Okay, come on, Thierry. Now, don't give the point too early and try to make them play. You can have a set point. Great paddle in this point.
second set for Le Mas, Perpignan. No, they didn't communicate early enough, Thierry and Loic. On this third set, I think Cedric is not going to play a lot. He's going to hit the ball very hard. I think he doesn't want to play anymore. Don't know why. I mean, maybe because they already won the game. But it's a bit a pity to see that. They are on the center court. They are here to play paddle, enjoying the moment on this European Cup of Paddle, having great time. Well done from Thierry. But this volley, he could have played it in the center also. He had the choice. Look sometimes at Kevin foot legs. Really interesting to see him in between the shots and what he does to be in a good position to play the ball. Interesting to see what Loic's doing. All this foot legs work once again in between the shots and to hit the ball. Risky but nice from Thierry because it doesn't do that often and he took them by surprise.
So sometimes you see it's risky to go for the interception. Oh, what a nice ball. Oh, well done, Loic. He touched it, but couldn't succeed on putting that back on the court. What a run. Wow, well done. Okay, game for Toulouse Paddle Club. And the Toulouse Paddle Club leads 2-1 in his third set. It's one of the last game going on right now in Casa Padel in Paris, Saint-Denis. A lot of people already gone to see the rugby match, which is about 5 minutes away from here. France is playing that against South Africa in rugby. And the Toulouse Paddle Club already won the third place of these European Paddle Clubs, European Cups of Paddle Clubs, sorry. They are already back on courts, but Loic and Thierry are taking their time to come back, but now here they are. And Alain Henry, yes, Lynn Montfort, thank you Alain. Maybe that's going to be my nickname. And Thierry now is serving for the fourth game of this third set, deciding set. Cédric there. But Loic can defend this one, yes. He's there, and the point's going on now. Come on, oh, what a nice shot from Cédric. That's what he can do normally when he's really playing paddle, but it's not 100% there now, as I told you before. This service is long, yeah, just wide.
think it's a game point for Le Mas. That's it. Oh, well done, Thierry. Great service, but what a return, guys. Playing down, playing up. Going to the net as soon as possible. Playing down, playing up. Oh, he tried the chewing gum shot, what I call the chewing gum shot. And that's 3 break points for Le Mas right now. Represented Z Violin. $15.40. Oh, it's a pity because they've had 3 break points, but now it's deuce again. Toulouse Paddle Club, representing the European Institute of Chiropractic, is back on that game. And I remind you, there is 1 set all, 2 games all on this deciding set, and another break point. And deuce again. Okay, the Cedric is much better from a few minutes on now. Much more with his partner. Much more positive. But Thierry touched the net, he couldn't stop. He tried to, but he couldn't achieve that. So, they lost a point. Yes, Loic apologized because he completely missed that smash. And it's 3-2 for the Toulouse Paddle Club.
Putain, 40-0, putain.
All
A very undecided match. A close fight there. No one wants to give this match. As I told you before, they're all competitors, and even if this match doesn't count anymore, because we know that Toulouse is going to finish on the third place, and Le Mas in the fourth one. No one wants to lose a match, and they will all fight until the end. Cedric too is now better. Like this shot, you know, is frustrating and angry against him because he missed that. Better body language from Cedric and better cohesion with his partner. And a break point there now. Saved by Loïc. Alain Henry, with the coach of this team, is also his uncle. Because he's the brother of Loïc's mother. Don't worry, guys, the camera is going to be fixed again. The little children great return there from Thierry. After a great croquette from Loïc. He broke his bust a bit too early there, and he was already going down when he hit that ball.
As you can see, you can always defend the ball. It's never finished in paddle points. You always have a chance to get it. I think the ball touched the light, but maybe the players didn't see that. Well done, Kevin, yes. As you can see, we changed the view of the camera, and you have another view. Tell us if you prefer this one. Oh, very nice. Well done, Cedric. And game for the Toulouse Paddle Club. It leads this deciding set by 5 games to 2. Le Mas had their chance on that set. They were leading, they had break points. They couldn't convert them. So now they are done 5 games to 2. Until the end of the night, we will be there for you to follow us. And Toulouse Paddle Club is so playing for representing the European Institute of Chiropractic, and today and tomorrow we have the pleasure to have Charlène with us on the place. Great chiro, Charlène. Some of you know her because she was present at the Open de France on the Capitol Place in Toulouse about 2 months ago. And if you have the chance to know Charlène, you'll see she's a real pro. Great chiro. Hello, Head Matty. Thanks for joining, you too. And 5-3 now in this deciding set. Last set for today, guys, and tomorrow you'll follow the final from 9 o'clock on the morning. Casa Padel against Malaga. I think they're going to be great matches. To close this European Cup of Paddle Clubs with all the partners and the sponsors. Love, 2 points away from the match. A great service from Kevin there. Very long, very close from the line, on the window. Really hard to return that. Love, 3 match points. And the first one would be enough. Game, set and match from Kevin Tournemire and Cédric Carité against Loïc Tap and Thierry Malacamp. Hope you've enjoyed this match again, guys, and we'll be back tomorrow for you, for us, and to enjoy another matches. Again, have a great evening. Thank you again, and see you. Bye bye.